Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this pout glow neon text filter on Instagram. So to get this filter, visit the creator profile. Pout Beauty Bar is the creator of this filter. You can follow her to unlock this filter to your camera tray. So I'm in the filter gallery, but when you will come to this page, you will see her feed and you have to go to her filter gallery. This is the smiley button, this is the filter gallery button. If you can't see this button, then you have to refresh the page by dragging the page down and you will see the filter gallery. So tap on it and this is the filter. Tap on it, you'll see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So let's try it, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.